Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is not about any particular stock, rather this video, the information I will be sharing with you can be applied to any stock because this is a very important thing. And I have been talking about trailing stop loss, in my every video. At the same time, whoever has joined my community, whoever is subscriber, I always stressed a lot about trailing stop loss, and I think this is a very good time I talk about trailing stop loss because most of you might not know what is trailing stop loss and why it is so important. So in this video I'll talk about why you need to know how to use trailing stop loss. At the same time, another option which is called bracket option when you buy or sell any stock. So again, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also if you like, you can always share this particular video if you think the information I'm presenting here would be useful to other people. So first of all, why we need it, right? So I'm just showing an example of clove here, and some people here, they were holding clove from $9, $10, and you can see it went all the way to $28, and now they are saying, oh, it went to $28, I was so greedy, I did not sell, now the price is around $11, I missed the opportunity. So for those people, like, it feels bad, right? Because you bought it at $10, it was 3 times and it came down, and you were always thinking that okay, it might go up, and you're just waiting, but it never goes up, and then you could be losing your entire profit, or you could become a bag holder. What happens if it goes to $5, $6? Then you will be losing all the profit and you will be in a bag holder. You have to incur some loss. So in that case, what about if we have a trailing stop loss? Let's say you have something that from 28, whenever it will come down to 24 or 25, it will be sold automatically. At the same time, you do not want to set a limit sell order. And why? Let me see ATOS, which is up by 13%. So let's say you have entered today here around $8 and you have a limit sale order at 8.5. Okay, so at 8.5 it was sold. Good, you got in profit. Then you look, the chart is going up and you became okay, it's going up, maybe I'm late. Then you enter again and you go up, good, and again maybe you sell around here, and again you enter and then it comes back, because you never know at what point it will go maximum for the day, right? So in that case, some people, they make some profit at this area, and then again they become greedy and again they get enter and again they lose some money, because whoever is buying at the top of the mountain, now they are holding the bag. So the good thing would be, what about if something you can set that whenever the price will go up, your limit sell order will go up. So instead of 7.5, if it goes to $9, your limit sell order will be 8.7. If it goes to 9.9, your limit sell order will be 9.7. So as long as the share price is going higher, your limit sell order is also tracking and it's going higher and higher. So you do not have to worry. So as long it is going higher, you will never miss the upward movement. On the other side, if it comes down, it will be sold automatically. So you can always protect your profit. There is nothing to lose. Only one thing I would mention, that most of the people use this strategy only when they are in profit. Let's say you just enter at $5 and you set at 5% trailing stop loss. It goes down and you sold at a loss. So most of the people do this when they are in profit and they do not know when to sell. In that case, this thing is very useful. Now, how to use that? First of all, I want to show you something. Then I will show in real platform. I'm gonna use Questrade to show how to set up the order. Let's look at the Excel here. So take an example for clove. So when you set a trailing stop limit, trailing stop loss, there is two ways. You can set in terms of dollar amount, or you can set in terms of percentage amount. So let's say you bought a clove at $15. Now it is $20. You do not know, should you sell at 20? What about if it goes to $25, $30? What you should do? You can always this option. Let's say at 20, you set a trailing stop loss for $2. It means that when it is $20, your sale order is 18. always $2 difference. When it becomes the close goes to 25, your sell order is 23. When close goes to 28, your sell order is 26. So if from 28 close comes back to 26, it will be sold at 26. So you are locking your profit. You can set it $1, you can set it $5, again up to you. If the stock is very volatile, then you can have a higher limit. At the same time, if you do not want to lose anything, you can just have a very tight stop limit, maybe $1, $2. It depends. If it is Apple or Amazon, $3,000, then again definitely your limit for $1 won't be like too tricky. So it depends like what is stock. If you're talking about a stock which is only $1, definitely you want to use 5 cents or 10 cents. So again, it depends on the volatility. At the same time, what is the price of that particular share. Same thing here. If you are using 5% or 10%, so if you're using 5%, so basically when the share price is 20, and if clove becomes less than 19, it will be sold at 19. If clove goes to $28, so 5% will put you at 26.6. So whenever clove will go 5% lower, it will be sold automatically. Some people use 5%, some people use 10%. Normally the long-term holder, they use 10%. Sometimes some people do not use anything at all. Whenever it comes down, they just buy the dip. So again, it depends how you are playing. If you want to lock your profit, then definitely this is something. Again, 5%, 10% up to you. Normally I use 5%. Instead of an actual number, I use 5%. So this is how I do. So you see how you can protect your profit. You are not losing your profit. You do not have to cry later, oh, it went to that much and I did not do. No, just set it and forget it. So you're not losing anything. The only thing is, do not set when you enter. In that case, maybe once you enter, it comes down, it will be sold. Again, it is not bad because maybe you enter at a wrong price and it comes down and it is sold automatically. So again, at that time you are minimizing your loss. So again, up to you. But again, I'm talking mostly about protecting profit, because in this channel we are talking a lot. Yesterday we were up on pre-market on Clove, Workhorse, Wish, CCIV, everything, right? So again, if you see set this for pre-market or after hours, so definitely you are locking your profit, you are not losing anything. So now let's look at a real example. I'm using Questrade and let's try something. PaySafe one, let's say this is one thing I was holding and still I have it here. So I have it, and let's say I want to do something. So I have let's say I want to sell 20 PaySafe warrant. It can be anything. I'm just using the example here, right? And the order type, you have two options, trailing stop and trailing stop limit. So if you click on trailing stop, so basically you see trailing, there is two options. One is dollar, one is percentage. So if it is dollar and you say okay, whenever it will go down by $2, I want to sell. So the current price is 3.55. Whenever it will become less than 2, which is like 1.55, it will be sold. Okay, again, up to you. If you want use 2, up to you. You can use 50 cents, you can use 5 cents, up to you. The other thing is the percent. So instead of an actual dollar, you can say okay, whenever this thing will go by 5%, so I will just sell it. And again, if you want, you can always choose GTC. So again, until it is cancelled. And also in some platform there is an option that you can select extended hours. So even though after hour it goes, it can be sold. So again, if this is the thing, you just click here, you click on sell, and it says that it will be sold at a 5% trailing stop. That's it, right? So again, up to you, but again, very easy. There is one other thing I want to show here, which is also available here, which is called bracket option here. So let me show here. So this option is on, which is bracket order. So what is the bracket? So basically when you enter, you say okay, this is my profit target, this is my loss target. So basically you do not want to check anything at all, you just buy and go, you just leave. So you say okay, I bought the stock at $20 and I want to sell when it will become $100, but if it goes below 15, I want to sell it. So this is the bracket, right? This is one other thing. So again, the same thing we can use. So let's say PaySafe, you want to buy these, let's say at a market price, and again you can set a limit, buy order, anything, it doesn't matter. So let's say you set a limit by order at $3. So once it will become 3, it will be bought. Now this is a profit. I want to sell all of it. I'm buying 20, I'm selling 20. At what price you want to sell? Let's say you bought at $3, you want to sell at $5. So your profit is $2 per share, $60. Now at what point you want to get out? This is your loss, right? So there is two options in Questrade, and it will definitely change your broker to broker. But again, you click on stop. There is two options, stop and trail stop. So if you click on stop, and basically when you want to get out, you are buying at 3. If it goes to 2.9, I sell it. So only I just lose 10 cents. That's it. Same thing, there is the option stop and limit stop. So basically at 2.9 it will be triggered and it will be sold at, you can put 2.9, or if you want you can put 2.8. so once it is triggered at 2.9, it will be sold at 2.8. that's it. Or you can also set trailing stop, same concept, trail and limit. One thing I wanted to show also, that when you go here limit, there is another option is trail stop limit. So basically the same thing. So trail, so you are always trailing by $1. Let's say whenever it comes to 19 you can sell. But if you use the option trail stop limit, so basically you will have two options. One is the amount trail you are following and the limit offset. So by doing this, so whenever it will become $1 less, sorry, what did I do? Yeah, so it means that when 20 will okay, it's taking time. Okay, I'm not sure, you don't click yes. Okay, so whenever 20 will become 19, then this sale order will be activated and you do not want to sell less than 18. So again, this is one other thing. So again, I'm not going there. I suggest just to use trail stop. So basically you just need to think about only one number, whether you are using with a actual dollar figure or you can use just a percent number. So again, just wanted to show you because I have been mentioning this a lot. And again, when you are in profit, you want to lock your profit, you do not want to lose your profit. So that is why this is a very good tool to use. So I think this thing is very useful. This thing will be very useful for you. And if you find this information useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.